Hey guys, so today in Dublin it is sunny out finally, but it's still cold. It's pretty cold, the wind's blowing a little bit, but it's not as cold as it was yesterday, and most of the snow's melted already. So today on the way to the Guinness Brewery, one of the places that I wanted to knock off the bucket list, and then on to the Trinity Church, or St. Patrick's. So I'll show you some of the Guinness factory. Hopefully they let us shoot video in there. If not, then you'll just get pictures. I'll talk to you guys soon.
Here at St. James's Gate, we've been working with Irish barley farmers and maltsters for generations. Over the years, we've perfected the art of roasting at St. James's Gate. We roast at exactly 232 degrees. Any higher, the barley catches fire. Any lower, the beer won't develop its unique character. It's our roasted barley that gives Guinness its iconic colour, taste, and aroma. Over the years, we've perfected the art of roasting at St. James's Gate.
See? Great ad. All of you.
Roast at exactly 232 degrees. Any higher, the barley catches fire. Any lower, Guinness samples were originally around the world and are sent to St. James's Gate to be tasted for quality. As the largest stout brewery in the world, Brewhouse 4 combines time-honored brewing techniques with modern technology.
Hey guys, I gotta say that the Guinness Brewery is amazing. I'm like a little kid. I can't believe I'm here. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely amazing. I can't wait to get my free pint of Guinness and sit on the skytop bar. And wow, unbelievable, unbelievable. The history of Guinness is just absolutely amazing. What a beautiful company, a beautiful brewery, a beautiful beer. It's amazing. I hope you guys are enjoying the tour of the Guinness Brewery in Dublin, Ireland, because I know I am. Get back to you soon.
In your Guinness later. So head all the way into the room there and try and make your way around the room here. Again, for audio guides, this room is number 9 on your audio guide tours. I think that's all of us now, so I will begin. You're all very, very welcome to the first of our 2 tasting rooms here at the home of Guinness. My name is Brooke, and today you'll discover the character that lies within every glass of Guinness. When we truly believe barley of beer, takes the barley and we steep it in warm water, which allows for germination to occur. So it activates the enzymes in the barley, which break down the starches into simple sugars. So it brings that sweetness to the beer. And it smells kind of like a doughy or cereal sort of aroma from that pot. The yeast will then ferment those sugars, producing alcohol, carbon dioxide, and beer esters. So our second pot over there are the esters. They add a strength and body to the beer, as well as a very sweet aroma like caramel or butterscotch. Now over there near the door, we have the hops. First, when I hold it up against the bright light, can you tell me what color you see in the glass? Ruby red, that is correct. That ruby red color comes from the roasted barley. You'll also notice the temperature at served chilled, ideally between 5 to 7 degrees Celsius, which is 41 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, the maximum flavors are released. So in a moment, I'll invite you here up to the bar to collect your own sample, provided of course if you are 18 or over. Here at the storehouse, we use a Challenge 25 policy, which means This last bottle was taken from the Antique Marina Guinness ship, which was the world's largest liquid bulk carrier. So she carried Guinness between Dublin and Liverpool between 1977 and 1993. Upon arrival, the crew would ring this bell to signify that Guinness was nearing the shore. Today, we'll ring this bell to signify that each one of us is now a Guinness tasting expert. Alright, lastly, with your tickets, you do get a full pint upstairs. You can either go to the 4th floor at the Guinness Academy, where you can pour it yourself. You can go to the ground bar on the 7th floor and enjoy the panoramic views of Dublin City. You can go to the 5th floor and use it at one of our bars and restaurants. Or here on this floor in the Aerial Suite, you can get one of our 8 different variants of Guinness or a paddleboard with 3 small glasses. And they also have a free tasting of one of our new styles of Guinness every hour on the hour as well. All that I ask though is that you please leave your sample-sized glasses on these golden trays here before you leave. Thank you and enjoy.
Hey guys, in the tasting room and tasting the Guinness, and they just explained to us how to taste everything and what the flavors to taste in it and everything. I just showed it right before this, where they had the barley and the malt and stuff coming up where you could smell it. So this is the little baby pint of Guinness.
And I tell you what, tick followed top, followed tick, followed top, followed tick. Ahab says, I don't care who you are, here's to your dream. The old sailors return to the bar. Here's to you, Ahab! And the fat drummer hit the beat with all his heart. Here's to waiting.
In Compton, you join a gang, or you find another way to survive. You gotta make your own path. A lot of horses around here are throwaway horses. My horse was headed to the slaughterhouse when I got her. I see horses bone dry, skinny, haven't eaten in weeks. And we bring them back to life. I think maybe, did I sing the horse? Or did the horse hit me?
You're okay.
I wasn't sure how strong this stuff was.
I'll conclude the Guinness trip here. Cheers. Sláinte.